Andy, what do you say to the penguins?
Trying to get them to talk. They won't talk.
They won't talk.
Talk to them.
You sound like you're trying to honk and not being very successful at it.
No. Really.
Oh, that guy just got out.
You see that one penguin there? He's like scratching the other penguin's neck.
Aww, there, buddy. Or he's picking on him.
Are penguins more birds than...
I think so, yeah.
But they can't fly.
But they can't fly, yeah.
How does that
That
make
one
them
looks different. That one is different. Right there. You can't really see it. It's different.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Well, there's some swimming.
I'll put you in her first, and we'll buy you some fish, and you can live with us.
That's right.
We'll sneak you on the plane.
I think Keely and Sebastian would probably be fine with that.
They probably would.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.